The shrimp have figured out they're onto us.
Okay, and that's in the front bio box, right? Front box.
But what?
You want to go for the mesh scoop?
We really want a shrimp. If you can get one. Do you think they're all gone from this spot?
I just can't get the suction hose out from here, so I can
Oh.
have the reposition. I can do that.
Yeah, let's reposition.
Yep.
Jacob has given the okay to, whenever we can, a scoop in a bag is okay for his rock sample for this spot. But
He's
Burita is
us too.
requesting a shrimp.
I don't even see any shrimp in view right now.
No,
Yeah, we're zoomed out. It's kind of hard to see them.
They're somewhere.
They
though.
blend in.
I think there's one in the lower cam right now.
Oh, yeah.
I'm just gonna try and back up off of here a bit, and then might be able to get that out.
Oh.
Flatfish was not very happy with that.
No. It's a very
There's
big
another one up there
disturbance.
on the rocks.
They ID the starfish? I don't think they do.
Not very stable. Okay.
Seems to be some like intermittent sulfur cloud happening.
Well, that's a good shrimp that just swam away. It was
Yes.
bright in color.
Kind of losing visual on Herc, but not too bad.
I'm keeping an eye on him.
Lovely.
The cloud seems to come and go. Oh, look at that.
Smoggy.
I'm going to turn off some of the Atalanta lights. That usually helps a little bit.
Okay.
Let's
Get this out a bit.
Sort of see the light in the dark here. Something seems to be erupting right below Atalanta.
Whoa.
Well,
Yeah.
What's that? What are you looking at?
Something's erupting right underneath Atalanta.
Oh, well, erupting is a loaded word here.
Is erupting the right
I think
word?
it's just smoke.
Belching?
Belching, maybe?
Can we zoom in, please, on the Zeus?
Yeah. Pluming?
And then let's get ready with the suction here. Do we see any?
I don't see any shrimp.
Maybe look over this way.
To the left.
Can we pan left?
Okay, go wide a little bit, a little wide. That's good.
Do you see any?
No, I see another crab.
Find the
have-
shrimp.
The shrimp have
Okay,
hidden
zoom
from
in
us.
again. It's good.
Oh, there's one right up here.
Yeah. Okay, come wide.
And there might be some right there. I think I see some movement.
Okay, zoom in there. That'd be
That'd be
closer.
better. Yeah.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
see
he's
it.
walking.
He's
Yeah.
walking towards you.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay, I see it.
Is
Okay,
that-
a little wide.
He's right by the green
More.
laser.
Want to see the arm?
He's right by the lasers.
Oh, yeah.
That's
Thank you.
between the lasers.
Slurp.
And then zoom in again.
So-
And Annabelle, can you move the camera up a bit? Just follow it. Where did he go?
It's between the
Right
lasers still.
there.
Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Suction on.
Suction coming on.
I'm watching.
Ooh. More beans?
Yeah.
Got him.
Did it go in?
I think you
saw him,
did.
Yeah.
All right.
Like it.
Wanna-
Put in the jar?
Let's try to
just wait
grab it. With, I
till
think
wait.
there's
Just
one,
keep the suction on.
Okay.
I think there's one over here.
Yeah, we could try for that too. I haven't seen it in a jar yet.
Oh, okay.
Is
we'll
the
keep-
suction still on?
Yep, suction's still on. You want more?
No.
He might be working his way down.
Oh,
Oh,
no, I
there-
scared him
oh,
away.
there he
I
is.
scared it away.
It's okay.
Oh, it's still there. It's still there.
No, you're going to get the flatfish instead. I don't know if you got him.
Okay, come back. Well,
Did the shrimp make it or no?
I
think
don't
we
know.
got
I haven't
one of
seen the
those.
shrimp in the camera yet. Is the suction still on?
Suction's still on. Valve pack's at 27%.
What
I
is
can
up
check
there?
out the proportional control.
I thought there was one.
There's
Oh.
one up on the rock.
You give it a little more juice, but it went up there.
Okay. Valve pack at 37.
Yeah, I don't see it.
There's one on the right, like right above the craft claw. I think.
I'm not seeing where you're...
Can I zoom in? Yeah, it's
Oh,
right.
there's one.
Yeah.
Little tiny one. Oh, it's gone behind. Oh, we're off.
Oh.
There's one.
Yeah, the vehicle slipped off where it was perched. Full wide on the Zeus, please.
Oh, looks like there is one in there.
I saw it in the jar?
In
Yeah.
the jar.
You can see it swimming.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
Do
okay.
you want to try for more, or are
I
you
think
happy?
if we could get one more, let's
Oh, yeah,
try a
he's
little
in
bit for
there.
that, and then we'll
I
two
did.
would be fine.
Great job.
Is that jar 3, I would assume? Does anyone know?
I'm not sure.
It- Yeah, jar
would
3.
assume.
I'm
I would
looking.
assume.
I can see 3.
Okay, thank you.
Any more shrimp? I'm looking.
I did see him in jar 3. Now I don't. But I see something crawling right next to it to the right. Oh, there he is in 3.
Yeah, he's in there. He's just really small.
Yes, this is all so crumbly, there's nothing to it.
Oh, we got one. I'm not seeing any more.
Sierra, what is its classification?
It is an arthropod. Yeah, should be. Do I know identifications of crabs? Yeah, it's arthropod. Shrimp.
Ooh.
I don't know what kind of shrimp it is.
Let me know when you want the jars rotated.
But if we can get another shrimp, we just keep it in the same jar.
Yeah, we're going for another one there.
All right.
One more.
That was sample. 39 or 40?
That was 40.
40.
So next will be 40.
Okay, next, but I'm, if
But
we
we're
get a
gonna put 'em
second one,
together,
I'm
yeah.
going to consider it still 40.
Okay,
Yes.
that's fine.
Jeez.
Yeah, it's pushing.
So for those of you
Okay,
just
zoom in a little there. Yeah, move the camera around a bit, Annabelle. Look around.
All right, spot that shrimp. I don't see it any.
those flatfish just blend right in.
Mm-hmm.
Is there one to the right of the green laser? Like on that rock edge
Yeah.
thingy?
Yes.
That thingy? Is that it?
I think you're right.
We
Oh yeah, right there.
He's like on that little perch.
Yeah, it's hanging right there.
Okay, suction still on?
Yep, suction's still on.
Get that shrimp.
Come on, come on, come on.
Oh, he's fast.
Oh. Whoa.
It's right up there.
He skirted away again, I think. I lost him.
Is that him right there, chilling?
All right.
Can't tell.
Ah, so,
It is sucking, right?
It is.
Okay.
I just think that shrimp was really small and really fast. I don't see that. Is that one there? I don't know. That might be a crab.
give it a little bit more suction.
Roger. Suction at 56.
Can't tell. Oh, there's a crab coming up too.
Can't really reach any further over there.
Oh, it's just a crab. I think all their shrimp friends have gone.
Want to look around some more?
Yeah, let's stow it. Stow the suction, turn
Okay.
it off, stow it, and get a rock,
Okay.
get the scoop.
So pump off and then rotate the jars clockwise.
One shrimp.
Roger. Pump off.
One shrimp is better than no
Rotating
shrimp.
the jar clockwise. Is it in?
Yeah, we saw it going around, and there's probably just up in the top of the jar.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's been
Just
moving
rotate it
around.
off the jar as soon as you have to pump off.
Right, got it. The jar's fully on, right? The new one?
Yeah, I see 4.
Okay, cool. Mm-hmm.
And sorry, you want to try and scoop some rocks?
Yes, scoop in the mesh.
Roger.
Zoom out here.
Full wide on the Zeus, please. And then forward box out.
Roger. Forward box coming out.
We got a flatfish on the porch.
Okay.
Ooh, sea star.
Sea
Oh,
star
it-
has moved.
Where's the mesh scoop? I
Location.
thought it was in here.
Is it in the other bio box?
Let me check the starboard.
Did he move to the other box?
Yes, starfish has moved.
Make a note, maybe.
That's a...
Can you show?
Probably stays in there.
Do you want downlight?
Yeah, I need.
Nope, downlight's on.
He just really wanted to be with the rocks. He didn't like being by himself.
He likes the
It's
sulfur.
not in there, is it?
Doesn't look like it, no.
You guys in the back row, do you have the mesh scoop location? I know, I thought, might have got the handover wrong. I thought Dan said that one was used and put in the starboard box.
Let me look.
Maybe we don't have any more scoops.
Close that bin, please, Annabelle.
Roger.
But no, we went in with 2.
We used the scoop with the fine mesh to collect some sediment.
Yeah.
We did not use the other one.
Yeah,
Where
so
is it located?
the scoop was last used and put in starboard F.
Well, there should,
That's the mesh one that you used, though, I think.
Yeah.
only one mesh, Bill, and it was the fine one you used?
We used the fine mesh.
Okay, so we just
scoop.
have a scoop without a mesh now.
The shovel
The
scoop?
shovel scoop.
Okay.
Well,
I,
there should be.
I thought there was
There
another
should be
one
2
with a
mesh
bag.
scoops, guys.
Yeah, yeah.
Well,
So
Yeah.
I don't, maybe it's in another, it's not in the,
Let me check the...
It's not in the forward box.
okay. That's where the first one was. So maybe it's in one of the starboard bins.
That's where, I guess that would be the next place to look.
Yeah.
Is there anything floaty that can come out of there?
No.
Okay. All right, let's get the sample salvo and let's look in there.
So we got some rocks on the porch there? Are they,
Accidental
are they
samples.
volunteers?
Those are
Yeah.
Same with the flatfish.
debris.
Volunteer flatfish.
Do you want to put those in a box so we keep them?
Those are extremely
I don't
brittle.
think you'd be able to pick them up.
Oh, okay.
I haven't been able to get anything with the jaws here, even
Okay.
on the lightest
Okay.
mode.
Yeah.
Okay, can we go starboard bio box open?
Yep.
And were you trying to section shrimp?
Yeah,
See
we
two
got
scoops.
one.
Okay,
got
there's 2
one
scoops
shrimp.
in there.
Got one?
We
That's
got
good.
one shrimp.
That's enough.
Better than 0.
That's what I said.
Yeah.
So we got 2 scoops, E and
Got a
F. Can we
flatfish, too.
determine which one is the used one?
The used one,
Is with the fine mesh.
and it said that it was
It had a-
used in F, but
Had a
the
hockey.
sample was put in F, so I'm going to assume the unused is E.
Unused is E.
The used one had a hockey puck.
Yeah, they
handle.
both do. I just
Okay.
need your whatever the data log should indicate, like what
Yeah,
one it went
data log
into.
says starboard F was used, so...
Okay.
So so I can take the one out of E if you want to use that here.
Yes.
Okay.
For you going for rock?
So with Jacob, we
Okay.
essentially replacing the attempted
Yeah.
rock sample with some
Gotcha.
rock debris.
Gotcha.
Okay,
So
coming around
properly.
there.
Roger. It's real murky.
I'm starting to not feel like we're going to get to use these, Bill. I think we're going to see some fluid venting somewhere.
Well,
We got lots of time.
they're,
Yeah, I know. It's just not as active as in previous years.
you see waypoint 17?
Can I get the other
Yes, the
starboard
middle,
camera up, Annabelle?
That's
Roger.
the location of a vent on
Here.
the crater wall that we sampled previously.
Well, that'll be a good indicator if that's still hanging out.
So maybe we should come around to the south and then, I don't know, if it looks like there's, well, I don't know. Maybe we can try to get there as we go around the crater rim.
Okay.
We'd have to descend down into it probably and look around.
Are we headed towards waypoint 9 and 10, that direction?
Yeah, I think we'll kind
Yes.
of come like
Yeah,
this and then down to 17.
So
Right.
just to confirm, guys, this
Yep.
is the course mesh one I have, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. And then close up that box, please.
Roger. Closing the bio box. Box closed.
Can we look up with the main cam?
Just a second, I'm gonna have to regrip this scoop here.
Okay.
Can you rack in the HD camera, please?
Roger.
Do you
HD
prefer the
retract.
And then tilt it up.
Tilt up.
Do you prefer the hockey puck grip?
Oh, yes.
Dan is
Good.
not a hockey puck.
Good
gripper.
Canadian. Got it. Yeah, he's not Canadian.
Yeah. No, yeah, I guess that's it. Just not as comfortable with a hockey puck.
No. Oh, no. You
Ooh.
foul thing.
It's a lot of space.
Let me get the PTZ on the porch for you.
Maybe the pucks are too heavy.
Yeah.
They need a float. Here we go.
Nice.
It's not a very great grip, but I'll see what I can do with it. Okay, now we can rack the camera back out and tilt up there for science.
Roger. Extending, tilting up.
Oh, probably just scoop into this thing.
Yeah. Go for it.
Yeah, go for it.
This is an awful scooping grip. Let's see.
So dainty.
Yeah, it's a very.
Oh, of course now the rock's not going to break. Now that
Maybe-
we needed
maybe-
Oh,
it.
there you go.
Awesome.
Maybe we have a rock sample, not a scoop. Could you just pour that? Is
I can pour it. I have.
it too big to get into the mesh?
No, I think it will. Well, I can try and jiggle it in there.
Yeah, let's do that. Oh yeah, perfect.
Yeah.
Good size.
Yay.
Ooh, ah.
Shake, shake.
One more.
Yeah,
Yeah,
a little more.
This. Anything?
the
Yeah,
next one.
yeah.
Yeah, that one.
It's huge.
This may sound like a strange question, but will these rocks also be smelly?
Probably.
I imagine most everything
Not-
coming off this seafloor will have a
Sulfury
a
smell. Yeah.
I'm glad my bunk isn't near the wet lab.
yeah.
Is that sample? Awesome.
Oh, a little too big maybe, huh?
I'm thinking it might break up in there though.
Okay.
Maybe not. Nah,
You can get another piece.
troublemaker.
It looks pretty soft, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's going to crumble.
So Bill, how would should we put in the if there was a request for some of the finer sediment? Is that have we gotten some already?
Yeah, we already did
We
that.
grabbed with the fine mesh.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's full.
Oh, you got a crab in
Oh,
that one too.
there it goes.
Oh,
2
here.
for 1.
Bonus crab.
All right, that's a pretty
That's
full
an
sack there.
That's an associate. Yep. Let's stow it.
Back where I've got it.
Yeah.
All right.
He might be crushed by the time he comes out.
Where did you get the
He's got a
sediment?
shell.
Where did you get this finer sediment sample? Was it around here or was it earlier?
Down
Okay.
where the flatfish were.
Okay.
Starboard box
on
out.
the northwest slope.
Starboard box opening.
Because Verena was wanting to see what was
That
in the
good?
sediment that the flatfish may or may not be feeding on.
Right, right.
So I think those next waypoints, like 9 and 10, I picked on the rim of the high resolution bathymetry, so it should be approximately where the rim is.
Oh no 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 no. What's going on with this jaw? Sorry, that's like uncommanded movement.
Hmm.
What the hell? Sorry, having some technical difficulties.
There it goes. Awesome.
All right, what's going on with this thing?
Box
Okay, close the
closed.
box, please.
All right. Sample logged.
Yep, box
Okay.
closed.
Got the extra.
And it just did like a
Lovely.
full rotation on me.
Whoa.
Hmm.
Someone wants to know if you have core tubes available.
They're on the ship, but we don't have them on the vehicle for this dive. We have the option of putting them on.
Gonna turn the down light off if that's all right.
Yeah. Okay, are we going to pick up from this place?
I think so.
Yes.
What's going
Pick
on?
up and start. We can kind of split the difference between 8, 9, and 10.
Leave the down light on for a minute.
Between them.
Roger.
We don't have
Okay.
to, you know,
Right.
go exactly at 8, 9, and 10.
Right.
Okay.
That's kind of the direction to go.
Yeah.
Okay, so east.
Kind of want to stay sort of on the rim, you know, where there's visibility, hopefully.
Okay. So maybe we want to stick a little southeast?
Southeast.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me know when we're ready to move.
Sure. Yeah, you can call
Okay.
in your move, yeah.
I'm going to do a small step because I think we're going upslope.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm turning the wrong way. Okay, hold on. Porch in, please.
Roger. Porch coming in.
When we came into that area where we just sampled,
All the way in.
we did see some little local vents where smoke was coming out of the sediment, but sort of lazily. So we should keep our eye out for little venting sites that might be someplace we could sample.
Roger.
Hey, Mike, how many push cores does can Herc hold?
5, I think, maybe 6.
5 or 6 push cores?
It's specifically one of those numbers. I just haven't seen it on the vehicle. I think it's 5.
Yep.
On your sonar, it looks like you've got a wall to your right and
Yep.
forward.
Yeah, southeast.
It's kind of a right angle.
There we go.
There we go. Yeah.
Northeast.
And what bearing have you called the ship move?
Yeah,
for?
I did a 120
Okay.
Okay.
directly southeast. And it looks like the terrain is kind of northeast. And then we're coming up on a slope.
Are we ready to do some introductions?
Yeah.
You want to start with the back row for the 12 to 4 shift?
All right. I'm Evie. I'm a master's student at the University of Rhode Island, and I'm the data logger for the 12 to 4. Woo.
Can you put that rail camera back on the port side?
Roger.
I am Sierra Landreth. I am one of the scientists aboard, also a graduate student at Florida State University.
Thank you.
12 to 4.
We're doing that again? All right. I'm Jeff Beeson, assistant professor at Oregon State University. I'm a marine geologist and geophysicist, and I'm the watch lead for 12 to 4.
Bill, are you going to join us?
Oh, he needs to. He's not our, you better not say 12 to 4, though.
No, I'm an interloper. So from the 4 to 8. Just looking over your shoulder, doing some backseat driving.
This is the one situation where I'm okay with you backseat driving. Because
So-
you know this place way better than I do.
Yeah, sometimes when it's a whiteout, it helps to have been here before. Yeah, so I'm Bill Chadwick, also at Oregon State University.
Sure.
And for
Gonna
the
bring her
front
down
row?
on the winch a little bit.
I'm Marin Hodge. I'm a undergrad
What's your sonar targets, right?
Yeah,
Florida
got an eye
State
on it.
University as well. And I'm the video engineer intern for 12 to 4.
12 to 4.
Let's just say you start the day with us and you end the day with us.
Oh, yes.
Very hazy.
Isabel, are you in a spot that you can introduce yourself?
Yeah, definitely. Sorry, I got hyperfixated. My name is Isabella Monaco. I am the ROV navigator, and I am a contractor with Ocean Exploration Trust.
Michael Hannaford. I am the Herc pilot, and I live and work in Labrador for the Innu Nation, and we do our own kind of ocean science and exploration work in Innu waters. I don't get out much anymore, but happy to be here.
Annabelle Baker. I'm the Atalanta pilot, also a contractor with OET, and I'm a grad student at Oregon State University.
Oh, she's got some good representation in the van.
Go Beeves.
Go
That's
Beeves.
right.
We have 2 Florida
So, Bill,
State.
you've been here
Yeah.
before?
Two
Which
for-
expedition?
We're quite concentrated here.
I was here in 2004, 2006. Then 2014. No, I think we just mapped it. We didn't dive here. And then 2016.
What is
Yeah.
that?
4-timer.
4-timer. We'll get you a jacket.
Yeah.
So we're kind of at waypoint 8. I don't know if we want to keep on moving.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
Okay.
we're not stopping at these waypoints. We're
Okay.
gonna just
Unless there's a hydrothermal vent
All right.
with fluid to sample.
Between 8 and 9
yes.
pilots, we're going to go
A small
downslope,
criteria.
by the way.
Okay.
I would skip 9, I think.
Okay,
Just
let's go on to 10.
Yeah, yeah.
Lovely.
Is that okay?
confirmed.
Okay.
Confirmed. Okay.
I concur.
Okay.
Hey, Bill, what do you think that last
Can I turn the down light off?
kind of wall we
Oh,
were
yeah, go ahead,
sitting at sampling?
Thank
Wait,
you.
Is this all just eruptive sequences, or are these ash layers, or?
Do you
What's
mean
on
the,
that's
Like
like
the-
that's
the very
that outcrop?
Yeah, that
Yeah,
little,
I'm
the
getting
very
there.
weak, crumbly.
Port starboard's on.
It looked kind
Turn
of
those off.
intermixed.
And then I think the
I
PTZ's
don't know what
iris
it
is
was.
just really far
Yeah.
open.
Yeah, I wasn't quite sure if that was ash or just really altered rock that was weak.
There we go.
I didn't see much
Come up a little on the
layering in
winch.
it.
Roger.
So,
Yeah, we're bearing about
But
115.
like downslope, we were seeing, this one area was like intermixed layers of sulfur and ash,
Oh,
like over and over.
That's a nice layer cake right there.
Yeah.
Sulfur and
So
ash.
downslope, there's a lot of ash
Gonna keep us around
and
15.
fragmental
Roger.
volcaniclastic stuff. But
When you look
up,
at the-
up here, it's a little more blocky. So, yeah.
It is not surprising
Oh,
how
here's some tube
smooth
worms.
the walls are of Daikoku. It's not very competent.
No.
So as you build stuff up, it just falls down the sides
Yeah.
and
Well,
builds this nice little pile.
right.
See some tube worms up
Yeah.
there.
There's some
Oh,
tube
tube
worms.
worms is
Yeah.
a good
More
sign.
tube worms.
We saw some down below on the slope, but we had previously seen them up here too. So
Yeah.
it looks like there might be some barnacles there too.
Mm-hmm. Hit a wall. Somewhere, fish friends.
Yeah. They're we were commenting earlier, they're like Spider-Man fish. They can just hold on to vertical faces
Yeah.
with their fins.
They're so cool. Going up. Yeah, some
More tube worms.
on the left side there.
Tube worms, Raina.
Tuber.
Shannon, you got another interloper.
Oh. Do you want to introduce yourself?
All the scientists are here.
Our shift is so amazing that everyone wants to join us.
Yeah, we're jealous.
I'm going to say it's the shift and not the dive.
Yeah.
They just want to hang out with us.
Yeah,
I was thinking the same thing.
this is the cool shift.
12-2-4.
I don't know. Y'all got some good footage yesterday
We
of
did.
those Spanish dancers or headless chicken.
Yeah, I felt
dancers.
like we got off shift yesterday, and then there was some pretty cool stuff at the sea
Within
mounts.
like 3 minutes of us leaving.
That's just
We
how
set
it
them up.
goes.
Yeah, we did.
So Jeff said they got one shrimp
We
in
got
the
One
suction.
singular shrimp.
It
That's
was
cool.
challenging,
Yeah.
but he's in there.
Thank you very much.
They're elusive.
Yeah, I've been keeping a lookout for those anemones. Anemone. Some cool formations.
Terrain looks good.
Roger.
Just barely got a visual on Herc with all the lights turned off.
Wow.
So we're in a cloud.
Fighting.
Bill, Verena, I know we were only a few hours into the dive, but what's your initial impressions of 20 years of going to Daikoku from your first time here to now? Does it seem different or about the same? Thinking?
I would say a little of both. One of the most dramatic features that we saw early on was this small sulfur pond of molten sulfur in the bottom of this little crater that we called sulfur cauldron. So that was a really amazing place because all this gas was bubbling through this molten pool, and it was black colored because it had so much iron mixed in with the sulfur, and it was challenging to even see it because there was so much of this white cloudy plumes around it. But this time we went back there, and the water was totally clear. We could see the craters perfectly, no sulfur in the bottom. So somehow that little sulfur vent has shut down. But around it, the slopes around it are still covered with these flatfish that love sulfur hydrothermal environments. So they're still
Can
happy.
you reseat that?
Yep.
Thanks.
Also at the summit, when we first came here, there were actually 2 pit craters right next to each other.
Reset.
And then when we came back in 2014 and remapped it, those 2 pit craters had merged into a much bigger summit crater, and that seems to be still the case
Had a
now.
visual on Herc, gonna navigate using sonar, ROV nav, and
So there was
keeping a
some
good
kind of
delta.
eruptive event that did that.
Roger.
I think at the same time we measured a really high hydrogen
Right
in
in the
the water
cloud.
column, which
Yeah.
is usually associated with eruptions.
Oh. We're back.
And yet, the animals that live around the summit, where all the warm water and high CO2, high SO2 hydrothermal gases are coming out. They're all still here. They're still surviving, thriving. So obviously they're adapted to a really dynamic, changing environment, which is always amazing. Yeah, I was remarking at lunch that most of us think of living on an active volcano would not be a great place to live, but all these animals are totally adapted to doing that.
Well, if the place you live is harsh, adapt.
Seems like it's getting clearer.
Yeah, we're kind of coming
maybe
up out
Yeah.
getting above the plume, yeah.
We're kind of walking on the ridge a little bit.
Yeah, that's okay. That's good, actually. See what we're doing.
So there must be enough sulfide in this water for these tubulars.
So someone wants to know
Yeah.
if any of these are crystalline minerals or are they more tuff-like?
tough, like.
Yeah, tuff is basically rock that's made up of ash.
Yeah.
So that's probably more of what we're seeing here.
Why is it called tough if it's so crumbly?
Yeah.
Good point.
Well, it is spelled differently. T-U-F-F, not T-O-U-G-H.
Well, I guess Verona and OSU colleagues have a shout out and are wishing you the best of luck.
All right.
Nice. Shout out.
Oh, so Jeff, earlier, maybe still, I don't know, the Hatfield Marine Science Center was streaming us live in their auditorium in the visitor center. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
This morning. This morning, our time.
Yeah, what was this, an evening event? Saturday evening
I
event
don't know.
at Hatfield?
I can't keep track of time
Wow, yeah,
zones.
me
I
neither.
know we're 7 hours earlier than West Coast time here, so
Yeah, it's still Saturday.
And a day ahead.
earlier. We're a day ahead.
We're a day ahead.
Yeah.
And Evie, there's people watching for you too that say go Ducks.
Aw. Wait a minute.
Yay.
Hold on. Who did we let in here?
Yeah.
Some of my family went to University of Oregon, so sorry.
We forgive you.
I didn't go there. I
I
didn't
know,
go there. I didn't go there.
That's why you're still here.
Whoa, controversial.
No, we love our UO friends
Fellow
to the
It
Oregonians.
doesn't really sound like it.
Yeah, that was
Good
a little
save.
aggressive, guys.
I'm an
Yeah.
outsider. Oregon drama.
We're going to see him in the college baseball World Series. I know it.
Okay.
Oh.
I'll have to check in how FSU is doing.
So we're kind of driving around the south edge of the rim of this big crater at the top of this volcano, and all this white cloudy plumes are coming out of the floor of the crater, where there's probably
We're fully
a bunch
stretched
of
out.
sulfur,
Yeah.
or in sulfur-rich vents. So we're kind of trying to stick to the outside where we can see a little bit better. But at some point we might
Go in.
Yes.
try to cross the go from one side to the other. There's kind of a bench on the eastern side of the deep crater, so I think we'll try to cross there. That's where our waypoints take us.
We're on a shallow dive this time. We're only at 333 meters.
Some more plumes.
Mike, any temperature concerns being so shallow, or is it all okay?
Oh, like the ambient
Yeah,
temperature?
yeah.
No, I think it's okay.
Okay.
We're not,
Nothing heating up too high.
no. No.
That's good.
Is there any life in the temperature probe?
Dan said no, but I don't know. What do you say, Micah? Is it? I think it wasn't responding earlier.
Oh, the temp probe?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I haven't seen it respond, unfortunately, since it's
Yeah.
been in here.
Getting a lot of no reading or
Yeah.
NANs.
Could try turning it off and on.
Hey,
Yeah, you can go ahead and cycle it, and then you
Always a
can
good idea.
monitor it if you want, if you have,
It's a good way to.
yeah.
if you're comfortable over there.
Sure.
Monitor it in MQTT or something.
Sure. Let me pull that up.
Some more plumes.
Let's see, what are we doing with Atalanta?
Yeah, if we do find some vents, fluid venting, it would be
Hmm.
very nice to have a temp probe, but
Oh yeah. If
we'd
we,
still take the samples. It
Yeah.
wouldn't be as useful.
Yeah.
Are we all sitting in it? That's cool.
Yeah, we're just getting nans.
Okay.
Super cool.
Try to bring us back up slope.
Roger.
Very cute.
So just looking at this inner wall of this crater, you can kind of get the impression this volcano tends to be explosive when it erupts because there's all this fragmental material all piled up, lots of ash and rocks and, you know, not big, thick lava flows, for example.
Well, last time we were here, we were greeted with a little rain of sulfur bombs coming down on the
Oh,
ROV.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're moving them more this way, are you?
Yep, I'm
Yeah.
moving us now, bearing kind of 130.
Right on.
Very spooky.
I'm still seeing flatfish
Yes.
like on the bottom
Oh yeah.
swimming around.
Mind-boggling.
They kind of blend in, but yeah, so you all of a sudden you get close enough to see them and they're everywhere.
Kind of freaky that you can only see them when they start moving.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're
Let me
just
just get a little
so good
bit
at hiding.
closer to you, Annabelle, so I probably have to go down a little bit.
Coming down.
Just their little eyes sticking out of the sediment. It's kind
Yeah.
of cute.
Just keeping an eye on that terrain there.
Little beady
Yeah,
eyes.
it's looking good.
Alrighty.
We're moving away from it.
Thank you, Nav.
Yeah.
Oh, the view from Atalanta is good. How do you spell Atalanta? Is it A-D or A-T?
A-T.
A-T.
A-T-A, and then Atlanta.
Okay. Oh,
Atalanta.
here's a little outcrop. It's got a little
Oh, that's
clearer
really
view
nice.
than usual.
Yeah.
There's like a little hole right there under the rock you can see through.
Oh, yeah.
He's just hanging on.
Yeah.
Do you think these rocks are a little more competent? Do you think we could get a sample of? Maybe we could get that one.
What if you pluck it though and this entire thing falls over?
I don't
It's
think
holding
it's
it
holding
up.
it
It's
Then we
holding
blame
it up.
Mike.
up. Do you think a rock sample here, Bill?
Sure. I'd try toward the top.
Yeah, let's.
maybe.
Yeah.
I agree. The top.
Also,
but
I think
one
that-
I think this looks a little harder
Yeah,
than the
I
other
agree.
stuff.
It might even be a dike or something.
It does look
Yeah.
like placed kind
Yeah.
of with these
It-
kind of
the way it's
fractured-
sticking out.
Yeah, the fractures.
What do you think that is? What mineral with the white?
That is either
Bacteria.
microbial or alteration. So
Do you want to
Kind
try
of
and
seems like it's coming along the crack.
do you want to try and set up here? And
Yeah, let's
Yeah,
set
yeah.
up and see if
all
we
right.
get a sample.
Annabelle, can we get the porch out a bit, halfway.
Roger,
Down
porch
lights
coming
on.
out.
Oh, so Verena, well, they
Down
collected
lights coming
some
on.
of the ashy rock with the other scoop, and one white crab
Porch coming
jumped
out.
in as a volunteer.
Oh, wonderful.
Yeah, the crab
I'm not sure
went
he'll
along
make
for
think
the
it.
that's
ride.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll see what he looks like when he comes
So
back up.
did you
An associate.
did
Associate of the
you
lot.
think the pink crabs were a different species?
I don't know.
I'm actually
They
seeing small
they
crabs
look a
now.
little different
They
to
did.
me.
They did.
Like
It's
they have
bothering
more
me a
of
bit.
a
Yeah.
I don't know what, a top edge.
Yeah.
Get somewhere.
We didn't collect one though.
Yes.
Oh yeah, they're
we did.
falling
Yeah.
right off.
Oh, good.
You got him.
Suction.
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Wait.
We will find out.
Yeah. I have the one flatfish on top.
Yeah. Flatfish by the lasers up there.
Guardian
I
of this
see
tower.
shrimp.
Oh yeah.
I think I
Oh.
saw some on
Yeah,
the
That's a
left,
flatfish.
There's a lot of crab, yeah.
but they move
There's
so
another,
quick.
another one right over to the right on the little, yep, another one below it. No,
Flatfish.
keep going to the right of the crab. Keep going. Yes, there. Got
Oh.
your finger on it
Oh,
and
yeah,
below.
Yeah. Oh yeah, they're so camouflaged.
Yep.
Yeah, there's a lot of
Okay.
little flatfish.
Rocks.
That
Yes.
one right above your claw on the edge there.
With the
to the
flatfish
right of
on
the
it.
crab. Yeah, that one.
Let
That
me
looks-
get a half.
That one
They
looks.
fell off, knocked a couple off just getting on here, so I think it's gonna
Yeah, that
come
looks
out easily.
pre-fractured.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Oh,
It's like, oh, it might be big.
there we go. Ooh, very soft.
Ooh, it is soft.
Everything's fragile.
Ooh,
Nice.
really
Nice.
tenuous grip here.
Yes.
Yeah, can
See if we can get it.
put it
count
wherever you can.
Don't
and
count
we'll
this
log
one
it
yet.
later.
Bye-bye shrimp.
Don't count it.
Floating away.
Starboard box, if that's okay.
Yeah, wherever you want.
Roger,
Uh,
gonna switch the cameras.
Yeah, cameras and box out.
You
Sample
could probably
salvo.
put it in ERF
Sample salvo,
because
box
those
coming
are the scoops, so all the stuff should be in the scoops.
Yeah,
but
you
if
can
you
put it
can, put
in-
it in like A through D.
E
But
E is fine.
anywhere starboard,
E is okay.
yeah.
It's just got the scoops in it.
Going in E.
So we'll know the stuff in the scoop is the scoop.
All the crabs are like, what happened to our home?
That poor crab in that
Marin,
scoop.
could we zoom in
Oh,
a little
yeah,
bit and
right
see if
on.
there's shrimp on the rock?
Stay away from Mike.
It's a good size rock.
That's a good
Hold
rock.
Yeah,
on.
that was bigger than I thought
Do
it was
something
going
with
to
that.
be.
Okay, that'll go.
Box
Thank
coming
you.
back in.
Lovely. Jacob will be so happy.
Box closed.
Jacob's going to spend all night
Oh,
in the
Derek's
lab.
joined us
Good.
too. We have everybody up here in the van.
Oh,
Is it already
Gonna switch the camera back. Dive salvo,
Please.
and that was 42.
Actually,
Yep.
I'll take this secret salvo.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Ooh, secret salvo.
42.
Is that it for here?
Yep,
Think
let's
so?
keep
They
going.
wanted
Okay.
to.
All right.
Bill just asked me to zoom in and look for shrimp. I don't know if
Oh,
he's talking to
Okay,
Derek
now you can do
though.
dive salvo.
I think it's okay.
Roger,
Yeah,
dive
so
salvo coming up.
Turn those down lights off if you like.
Roger. Down lights off.
Keep moving right along.
someone was asking how long this dive is. We have another 7 hours out of a 12-hour dive.
yeah. About a
Good time.
total 12 hours. We got getting close to the halfway mark.
And it seems like I've started something. Sierra, FSU won today, and so did the Arizona Razorbacks. Go Pig.
Arkansas Razorbacks.
Yeah.
Ah, it is Arkansas.
And
That's
that's
your-
probably my dad.
Well, I guess I started something.
Yeah. Well, it is
Gonna do
baseball
a gauge
season.
check.
It's
It
getting
is.
close to
Roger.
playoffs.
We
Arkansas is good.
we always have competition to see if the Knolls or the Razorbacks make it to Omaha.
Yeah.
Last year, FSU made it to Omaha, but not the Hawks. So
Yeah, but I think Arkansas won the whole thing a couple of years ago, didn't they?
they did, yeah,
Yeah.
they did really good.
It's one of the things that Oregon State does excel at. We tend to do well in baseball too.
Oh. I like going to baseball games. Getting a little
It's
pretzel.
kind of relaxed. Baseball games are,
so
That's the
relaxed.
only
you know,
way
the
I can
summer,
watch baseball.
nice sitting.
It's
in-
live.
I agree.
Yeah.
Get your little pretzel. Get your little
Want to do a reset?
drink,
Sure.
little lemonade,
Nice
little
stuff.
Dr.
Not too bad.
Pepper.
Got an eye on that
Trying to
train in
read your
Atlanta.
expression.
Sometimes get a good hot dog.
It always goes to food.
It does. Well, I mean, it's baseball, I guess. What else?
Yeah.
Terrain is peeking in
That's
on
the main
Atlanta.
appeal of going
Got
to a
an eye on
baseball
that.
game.
Nice weather, food. It's fun. I love the regional playoffs with baseball, where you get 4 teams come to your town and then rotate all
Coming up a
weekend.
little bit.
Yeah, it's fun.
I always
Roger.
like listening to the announcers that come to Corvallis. They're like,
11,
"Oh, it's
waypoint 11 is
such a
kind of
small
going to be
town
the
here."
highest that we're going to ascend, and then
Oh,
from
they've
11 to
always-
12, it's going to be a descent.
Okay.
Okay.
I don't know
Okay.
if Ada wants to change positioning. I don't know how we
Moving.
feel about going downslope.
Normally we back down, but depends what the visibility is like, really.
Okay,
See when we get there.
we're just about at waypoint 11.
Got some cool colors.
Some staining or bacteria, maybe?
Got an eye on that ridge there in the sonar.
Roger.
That
That's a
might be
great
where
shot.
the vessel's moving towards. I'm not sure. I think you get a chance we could get a zoom like up here or
Yeah.
down here on the white, kind of just to see what if this is a staining or if it's bacteria.
Yeah, let me get in there a little tighter first.
Sure.
We're kind of
If it was
stretched
bacteria,
out
it
here a
could
little
have
bit
some
too.
diffuse flow, or maybe it did at some point not that long ago.
Yeah.
Bacteria is usually a good indicator of some flow.
Okay, we're stretched out a bit. It might not be that pretty,
I
but
can try and come
go
down a
ahead
bit,
and
but the terrain.
zoom in video.
Do you want me
Yeah,
to
you
take
can come down a little bit.
I can take a small step
All
as
right,
well.
I'm gonna come down.
See some crabs up on the right.
It's hard to tell if that's.
Like a
Yeah.
tiny
It doesn't look
crab.
like there's any venting right now.
Yeah, no. I don't see any
Yeah.
shimmering or movement.
Definitely very altered looking.
Yeah.
The crabs are really small there.
A lot of baby crabs. Aw. Baby crab
Yes.
nursery. They're
This
so
is a
cute.
cool spot.
Well,
Or
there's,
you can full wide and keep moving if
Okay.
you're ready.
there's
Full
baby
wide.
flatfish too.
I like the Atalanta shot. You can kind of see the wall. It's really
Yeah.
Oh, that is a good one.
like
All right.
craggy.
I'll take us kind of 45 degrees down the slope.
So I was
Roger.
just distracted for a little bit. Were there shrimp here that we
Didn't
saw or
see
no?
Didn't
Yeah.
see any.
We didn't
No?
see
Okay.
any shrimp. There may,
They may
albeit
have been
we
hiding.
didn't do the detailed search,
Okay.
but we did get that rock. Did you see this? That looked pretty competent.
Yeah. Although crunchy.
What number are you looking at?
Yeah.
That's a pretty cool view from Atalanta.
Perk dip?
Pretty foggy.
Yeah. Mysterious.
I don't
Very
see depth on this
Eerie.
I don't even.
Heading down slope at a 45.
one. Yeah.
Let me get
All right, so we're kind of heading towards waypoint 12.
Yes.
Okay.
We're going to go down slope.
All right. See what it looks like inside.
We're going in.
We're going in.
Bill,
Isabella,
have we
someone's asking
passed?
to confirm the depth from what's online.
What's our Sonardyne depth saying? Or I can take a look at that. Do you look even another?
340 is what we're at.
340. Thank you.
340? Is this high pack plane? Nope. High pack server? Uh-huh.
No, it's not on that one. Thank you. Is that better?
Yeah.
So there's definitely venting down in the bottom of this big crater. That's where all this big plume is coming from. So the white cloud is made from sulfur dioxide mixing with seawater and making tiny particles of sulfur. So that's what that cloud is, just a particle cloud, sulfur particle cloud. And sulfur dioxide and carbon dioxide are gases that come out of the magma that's inside this volcano. So
All right,
it's
coming down.
degassing into the water.
Yeah.
The soda can has been open.
Cracked open.
Perfect, because it's Diet Coke. Diet Coke.
Oh,
brew.
man. Diet okay.
A lot of people enjoy their Diet Coke on the Nautilus, so.
I haven't had one today. Thinking about it after shift now.
Terrain looks good, Ada.
Roger. Keeping an eye on it.
So see, you're gonna go past Herc and then spin around, right?
Okay.
What is a Norbert? And do we have one on Hercules?
Where is it?
A Norbert?
A Norbit?
Mm-hmm.
Norbit is a multi-beam manufacturer.
Sonar.
Sonar. And
Portable.
Hercules, they built, most of the ones they build are mountable on things, and Herc has in the past used on loan a Norbit to do high resolution mapping. Unfortunately, we don't have it this time. It would be great if we did, because we could map the crater
right
in a lot of detail.
So the benefit of having a sonar on the vehicle is you're much closer to the bottom when you use it, so you can get much higher resolution on your map. So, you know, the ship is obviously limited to being up on the surface of the ocean. So far away from the bottom generally, but if you have a sonar on a ROV or an AUV, autonomous underwater vehicle, then you can get much closer to the bottom and get really detailed maps, and that really helps with ROV dives, because then you really know the terrain that you're in, even if you can't see it very well.
Yeah, it's nice. The multi-beam sonar doesn't care about the cloudiness.
Right.
It
It's all
sees
sound.
right through it.
Yeah.
It's awesome.
Yeah. When you've worked in areas with really high resolution maps, it's really sad when you're somewhere that doesn't have one. It's like, oh, I miss my
I miss knowing
bathymetry.
exactly where to go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Doesn't that take the fun out of exploration, though, if you know exactly where
makes
you're
it,
going?
Makes it more fun, because then you know where to go. You go, hey,
Send
let's
a
go look at
reset.
that.
Yeah, thanks.
Look at that thing over there on the map. Let's go look at it.
It adds an element for the planning.
But
It's
aren't
an
waypoints,
efficiency.
aren't waypoints just suggestions?
They are just suggestions.
Just
Yeah.
suggestions.
when you have a
Guidelines.
when you have a AUV or a ROV based multi-beam map, the waypoints are way more justified.
Specific, yeah.
They're like, you know what you're going to go see instead of look over here, look
Yeah,
over there.
this is sort of on the way to somewhere.
Just meandering. Lollygagging, if you will.
Oh, lollygagging.
Lollygagging.
Yeah.
Dilly-dallying.
Following you around Hercules. Not getting a great visual.
I'm sure this could get some
Getting
Yeah.
close to the plume, I
answers.
believe.
Yeah,
What is
it's
the
coming
worst
down.
case
So you
scenario
got pretty
if you
high
went
delta,
into
but
the
you got
crater?
terrain pretty close to you
Worst
as well.
case scenario,
Yep. Keeping an eye on it.
not being able to see anything for the whole time and then just happening to leave because it's too
I think
cloudy.
I'll come down until it hits
I
the
think
20
that's
mark.
my-
Yes,
and then-
please. Yeah.
Okay.
There are worst cases, but I don't even want to think
We're
about
not. I'm not entertaining those
Yeah.
worst cases. I mean, well, worst case within reasonable possibility.
How do you compare our mapping data last night compared to the most recent by the Japanese in 2023?
them. We don't have that data, so but it looked pretty similar to the previous time it was mapped. So I don't think there's been major changes since 2014 about, but we haven't really looked at the latest survey in enough detail to know for sure.
We got a whole lot of nothing on the visual here.
Yeah,
Love to see it.
because we're now traversing out over the eastern half of this big crater, then we're kind of venturing out into the cloudier water, and
See the crater wall there on the sonar.
Yeah.
Oh, awesome.
All right. Let's
Oh,
start.
there's
to come up.
Hercules.
No.
Yeah, we're starting to get close there. Okay.
Peeking through.
We should see something again. There
Oh
you
yeah,
go.
there's some
Oh, yeah.
visual. There's some seafloor.
Gonna keep the delta around 20 because you're right underneath me.
There's some kind of little.
Oh,
Whoa.
what was that?
I think
don't know,
it's just
kind
a
of debris.
flock. Yeah.
These are some cool patterns on the rocks.
That is really different.
Sulfur.
Now, all of these little guys there, are those also the tonguefish hanging out, those little specks?
I didn't see them, but probably. Now, all that kind of whitish stuff is sulfur that's coated onto the wall.
All right, that's the gauge check.
Yeah, Roger.
I think these little white things that are floating by are probably also little sulfur balls.
Oh, awesome. Oh, watch
oh.
out.
Wow.
Found it.
Tough visual.
Overhang there.
There's some
Yeah, I see the
flatfish on
tongue.
there.
Yeah, they're hanging on that rock.
Oh, wow.
Now that looks more like bedded ash.
It does, yeah.
Yeah.
I keep like rubbing my eyes, if that will like actually help.
You're like,
Sorry, Sierra. It's not going to help.
No.
Oh no.
Clean your glasses or
See
whatever.
my,
Yeah.
my contacts.
You gotta trust the sonars.
Yeah.
well, we have a note here with regard to the
Gonna send a
worst case
reset.
scenario
Uh-oh.
from Patty Fryer.
Oh,
As a historical note for the general audience regarding submarine volcanoes and research vessels, the Japanese research vessel Kaiyo Maru No. 5 was destroyed in 1952 when a submarine eruption hit it at the Moisen-Soi Seamount, directly under her. Since then, volcanologists have been a lot of experience approaching active sites, and gives a nod to Bill as one of the most experienced with Mariana volcanoes erupting. So we're in good hands. Bill's making the right calls.
that
It's your fault.
for a little more context, that eruption, that volcano was erupting right at the ocean surface, so
Yeah.
there were actually lava flows and domes above, slightly above sea level. So that's the most dangerous scenario for a submarine volcano, where it's right close to sea level. So it gives a scenario where that seawater, where there's not enough seawater to sort of quench the heat of the volcano, and you can get steam explosions that are really violent. So very shallow. When submarine volcanoes are very shallow, they can be very dangerous. So we're in a much safer spot here, down at 300 meters. That's a lot of water between us and the surface, and yeah. So very different scenario, but yeah, volcanoes in general have the potential to be very dangerous.
Look at that gorgeous view of the crater on the sonar.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, wow.
the Atalanta, yeah, that's cool.
Plop right down into it.
What do you think? What would be your cutoff of a shallow water volcano? Is it typically like less than 200 is in the
Yeah,
shallow,
I
could be dangerous if
it's-
erupted?
I think it's,
Probably.
my impression is it's sort of an exponential thing. So like, I think above 100 meters is more dangerous than above 200. Yeah, the deeper you go, the less chance there is of explosive activity, but it also depends on how much lava is coming out and how fast and how explosive it is. The more explosive, the more it can transfer all that heat to the water and create that steam. Yeah, so.
Shrimp.
Oh, there's an
what's
eel.
that?
Ooh.
Some kind of eel?
Yeah, we saw one of those before in the rocks.
That was awesome.
3? That's a
That's
3.
I gave it a 3.
That was a
Try
3.
and look, see if I can figure out what kind of eel that is.
the the other Mariana volcano that we saw erupting over multiple years is just about 6 hours north of Guam. It's called Northwest Rhoda 1 because it's located northwest of the island of Rhoda. And there the erupt event was at about 550 meters. So, and the activity was explosive, but really at a low level. So that was kind of the perfect scenario for like, actively erupting volcano that was very safe to be. We could, with an ROV, we could go approach the vent and just watch it and be perfectly safe. So that was kind of the perfect scenario. Deep enough and not very violent, but jaw-dropping and fascinating to document. Yeah. The first place that a deep sea volcanic eruption had ever been witnessed, so it was very exciting.
I've got a comment on the Science Ashore portal that says from Rebecca Carey here that 350 meters below sea level, no models have been able to reproduce explosive eruptions.
Oh, okay. Thank you,
That's
Rebecca.
like the max that models have shown.
Uh-huh, yeah. Yeah, it's kind of a battle between lava and seawater. So the more seawater you have, the more likely the water's going to win in terms of quenching what's happening. The less seawater you have, then the lava can win.
This seems like yet another kind of rock.
Yeah, Bill, so I think you mentioned it kind of briefly earlier with these very thin layers. How would you describe this type of rock or this type of formation right here?
Uh,
Or maybe thinking back to what we saw earlier
yeah,
too.
well,
Mostly this.
sort of looks that way too. I mean, you can kind of see some layering in there, some horizontal layers, even though it's kind of eroded into a weird shape. But so that's probably layers of ash that have been erupted in previous eruptions, and have maybe then sort of cemented together a little bit. Um, looks like a Greek temple or something.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Do we have on our list here, Bill? If you're, should we? Is this a sampleable type of situation with if we see a nice lithified layer of ash mixture?
I bet it's pretty fragile,
Yeah,
would be my guess.
imagine that too.
Like, I would think you'd grab that and it would just fall apart.
Right.
Right.
Oh, yeah.
Some more crab friends.
I think I remember that, yeah. So this is more of that layered rock
Yeah,
that's
very
probably ash that's been cemented together. But obviously, since then, this crater has grown like we have seen, and so parts of it are remnants of that ashy layer, but much of it has fallen down into the crater,
Wow.
or maybe been expelled if there was an eruption going on.
Right.
Oh, I think waypoint 17. Oh, I guess that's the vent inside the wall of the crater.
Yeah.
So we're going. I think
I was
we're
taking
going
us towards 13.
Yeah, yeah.
Still walking on the brim of the crater.
Right. So we're still sort of on the inner slope where we're at. It's not really flat. Oh, we're over here. I was looking at Atalanta. Oh. Can we go over closer to waypoint 12 with Hercules?
Yep.
Or closer to Atalanta anyway?
Yeah.
I guess you'll have to go a bit deeper, huh? I'm just curious if it flattens out down there as opposed to being a steep slope.
Someone asked if the lasers determine scale. Yes, they do. They're 10 centimeters apart.
Yeah, so that helps us when we care about size. That helps us because with the video camera, it can be zoomed in or zoomed out. Sometimes you can't quite tell how big something is, so it's nice to have those as a reference. So what we're trying to do is back down the wall here to get a little deeper. So we're facing the wall and kind of stepping backwards, getting down the slope.
So are we headed towards waypoint 17?
Kind of 13, but we can take it in any way.
What do you think, Jeff?
I think we should plume source B.
Plume source B? Okay.
What do you think, Bill?
Change
give it
it
a
up.
try. I mean, it probably is.
Okay.
All right, come on down a bit.
well,
At
we're
least
close
give it
to
a
it.
chance.
Roger, coming down.
Okay.
Plume source B?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay.
Put on the brakes.
Back it up.
Bridge, we've changed our mind again.
Exactly.
I'm sure
Hey,
they
guys.
love that.
I got a different idea.
So we have a first-time watcher on, and they would like to know the cause of the fogginess. Do you want to help them out, Jeff?
Well, the fogginess. The fogginess is a good way. It seems really foggy. We've got venting happening at some place within the crater. Hopefully we're gonna maybe go see it.
I have us bearing
That
250.
on the white
is,
space.
Yep.
how
Where
best to
we
describe H2S
250.
kind of precipitating in the seawater from the vents,
I think it's
and then or
SO2.
SO2 or SO2.
It's
Yeah.
plume source B, so we're
So
a little bit south of waypoint
silica
17. Let me try to create a new target.
Sulfur dioxide.
Sulfur SO2. Yeah, sulfur dioxide.
SO2
Mixes with seawater,
plus H2O.
creates little
Equals
tiny
sulfur.
particles of sulfur.
Yeah.
And so this white
Coming down.
cloud is made up of tiny sulfur particles from all the SO2 coming into the bottom of the crater probably. And sulfur dioxide is a gas that comes out of the magma, molten rock that's feeding this volcano, so that's why. And we're kind of exploring inside this big crater at the summit of this volcanic cone, so we're kind of inside where all this SO2 is coming out. That's why there's all this, it's filled with this white cloudy fluid. There's a little floaty rock.
It was on the porch.
One of the things we're looking for is where there might be a seafloor hot spring inside this crater, so that's why we're kind of poking around in the clouds. We've seen them before in here, so we're
Just keep an eye on the terrain there.
oh,
Yeah,
there we go.
yeah, you're close
Yeah, I
enough there.
see some bottom.
It's
Trying to
obviously
get us to see
challenging when the
something.
visibility is so limited, but
Okay.
we'll see what we find.
Ooh.
Someone's asking, is the ash acidic or basic?
Definitely have terrain
Yeah.
I
coming
think
in.
the rocks here are
We got a delta around 30.
andesite in composition, so
Yeah, you don't come down any further though.
we'd call that
Alright.
intermediate
Bunch of
between silicic and
tonguefish
basic.
Right there. Hey,
Those
Nana.
shrimp?
No, I think those are the tonguefish,
Oh.
the
okay.
flatfish.
Oh, yeah, there's a lot of them.
They be chilling.
Now the fluid that sample, if we were to find some, would probably be acidic.
Yes, true.
Oh.
Yeah, because with all
Wow.
the CO2 and SO2 coming out, those help make any vent fluid that's coming out of a hot spring very acidic. In fact, the part of that SO2 mixing with seawater, you make
Right.
sulfur particles, but you also make sulfuric acid. so that's why the vent fluids are very acidic.
I haven't taken another step just due to the terrain on. Let me know if we're still interested.
Kind of
taking
that
it
little plume cloud
250
down
step.
there.
Yeah,
I'll do a 10 meter,
yeah, that's fine.
something small.
Yeah.
There he is. Dusty. Oh. It's huge.
Yeah, is the smoke moving away?
A little bit.
Yeah.
Look at the Atalanta sonar.
It's,
Yeah,
There's some
going
more
down in
coming
a
out.
hole.
yeah.
We're in the crater.
And now we're sort
Got
of
a little bit more
we're
room
on
to
the
come down
edge
on
of
the
the
winch.
plume, huh?
Roger.
Alrighty. Just lowering her in.
There's a big burp.
Mm. Scientific burp.
Yes.
That's awesome.
It's cleared up a little.
Yeah, I think we're about to be in the thick of it again.
Yeah.
It's coming.
it's coming.
It's kind of like when you have the avalanche
go
coming
until we've
towards
got
you
the
and you
terrain
have
on
to
the
go away.
Sorry?
Gonna go until the terrain's on the 20 line?
Yes, please.
That's good. We're also moving.
Yeah, you're moving away from it.
Oh,
Right?
moving away.
Sounds good.
Yeah, I think
We're going
sitting
downslope.
right on top. I don't know, it's kind of calming to watch. Just these giant plumes.
It's calming that it's there and we're here.
Yes, we're nowhere near it. Whoa.
I'm getting the impression that we're maybe getting closer to event. I mean,
Yeah.
these plumes are a little more
Bill, what's giving that
defined.
away?
Yeah, why would you say that?
Yeah, I mean, it's less of a total whiteout fog and more of a distinct plume.
Yeah, I know. So we just keep going down. Maybe
yeah,
we'll.
hopefully we'll find
Maybe we could get underneath the plume.
right.
What an
find-
educated
find where
guess.
it's coming
Oh,
out.
oh, is that?
You think there was
Is
a
that the emission plate?
It
No, is that
sort
just,
of goosh.
or did it go away?
Goosh. Term.
Yes.
It's far more calmer in the back row
Wow.
than the front row having to drive through this.
Yeah.
yeah,
Definitely.
for sure.
I'm just like, wow, pretty plumes.
Because you're like, head towards it. Go
Yes.
down.
Just right in the hole, right there.
You can't see. Go into
Go towards it.
Oh, I think this is. Yeah, we're.
Look- Looking
This
interesting.
is looking
huh?
more focused.
Yeah. Yeah.
White smoker.
What's it going to look like on the bottom?
I'm excited.
It's so pretty to look at, though.
It is.
Can you turn
like
on the
cotton
down lights for a
candy.
second? I just want to see if we see
Gotcha.
anything useful in this brow camera here.
Da da da.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh, ah.
Yeah.
We're definitely on the edge of it, which
Yeah,
is
there's
good.
some rock.
Yeah, okay, I'll go back
The
to the
left
regular
side.
one. Actually, while we got that up, Annabelle, can you zoom that in a little bit?
The WCA?
Yeah.
Sure, sure. Zoom. Zoom.
Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Back to the dive salvo. And then
Crazy.
Yeah. Looks better.
something just happened that just moved somewhere else in the universe, in the world.
Oh, hi ROV nav.
Getting a little murkier.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, I really don't know.
Did the ROV
then,
position jump?
No, that's
Oh,
just
there
the
it goes.
nav-G screen just decided to go
Oh,
somewhere
I
else.
see. Gotcha.
NavG's got its mind
All
of
right,
its
coming
own.
back down on the winch again.
Roger.
Oh,
Oh,
might be
look.
some
There you go.
sources over there. Let's go.
Whoa,
Let's check them out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Gonna get that delta down to
Woohoo.
15-ish.
Plume,
I
plume,
think
plume.
Yeah.
we got some telestrator opportunities coming up here. I think
Like, yeah.
some arrows and
Wow.
Hit it with that arrow.
Yeah.
I think I know where it is,
whoa,
guys.
whoa,
Do this
hey,
Woo!
hey, control yourself.
That's how you know the scientists
Our
are
science-
excited.
Yeah.
What do we think?
So that's where all that smoke's
Yeah.
coming from.
Yeah.
Wow.
There's at least one. Ooh, look at that down to the right.
Like right here, yeah.
That one's a little more energetic.
Wow.
I think this looks like a good fluid sampling site.
Ooh.
My goodness, what an idea.
Yeah, it's
What
like
an idea.
bubbling right almost right there.
There's maybe some bubbles coming out of there, some CO2.
Yeah.
I see it on the
Yeah.
bottom there.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, awesome. Oh, right here
Yeah.
too.
Oh, yeah, bubbles.
And the,
bubbles.
like, oh yeah, look at those. They're
If
there.
only we had a
So
gas
that's-
a gas tight.
So
there's
that's
a whole-
that's carbon dioxide, those clear bubbles.
That was our whole last dive.
Yeah.
Back
So
it up.
interesting that these
They're
vents
separate, look.
are yeah, right. This
No,
Might
no,
need to
only
move
CO
back.
only
Get
CO2
Atlanta closer to
coming
her.
out
Yeah,
on the
here's
right
the
Okay.
little spot.
and the SO2, the sulfur vents, are off to the
Nice.
left. Oh, look at that.
Little
It's coming
little
out of a hole.
sunfish.
Down
Wow.
below that, see?
Yeah.
That's cool.
They munchin'. This is the good eatins.
Yeah.
Flat fish in the middle. They're
Mm-hmm.
enjoying the spa day.
The flatfish
Wow.
spa.
Oh, that's really going off there.
Yeah.
It's a hot commodity.
I'm most happy that we can actually see it too.
Yeah.
It looks like there's one coming from deeper too.
Oh, under
They're
it.
everywhere.
Took a small step towards Herc.
Roger.
Okay.
Yeah, it's interesting that to the right you just have the shimmer, but to the left you still get the sulfur coming out.
Yeah, it's
Why is it
a
separate?
different gas. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
CO2 versus SO2, or the two mixed probably.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Whoa.
Very cool.
Yeah, it's a little bit more.
Well, that plume source target was pretty good.
Yeah,
Okay.
kudos to
Yeah.
the plume pickers.
Yes.
It is about spot on.
Brought
plume
us to the
source
right
too.
place, and makes sense with all these bubbles coming out. Too bad we don't have a temp probe, but that's the way it is.
Maybe we did it. Any turning it off and on did nothing. I see no data on one of the screens up there.
I mean, I can give it another go.
Yeah. Temp probe, please.
So below this
Fingers
vent with the
crossed.
bubbles, you can see the yellow. That's where molten sulfur has been dripping down the wall. You can kind of see little rivulets, and that's forming crust like off to the right there. It's all looks like worms, sulfur worms. That's just where molten sulfur little rivulets were flowing down the wall. Yeah, so we were talking earlier, sulfur has a melting point of about 150 degrees C, so you don't have to get it that hot to make it a liquid. And these vents are almost certainly about that temperature. They probably vary above and below it. So at times, all the sulfur is remelted and it flows around, and then it solidifies.
It squeezes in a little bit closer too.
Yeah.
Pretty stretched out
So
here
that's
for
why
doing majors. Nice to get as tight as we can.
A lot of the sulfur we see on the seafloor was molten at some time and then solidified again.
Bringing us back in.
Roger. Just watch the terrain there, Annabelle. You're gonna, it'll be okay, but it'll be on the 20 line.
I took a
Just
10-meter
keep an eye
step.
on it.
Okay. And that
Got a
should
lot
be
more
right
of
on the
those.
20 then.
Might be a little bit
Might be a
inside of it, but just
little
keep an
bit
eye on
Inside
it.
the 20, okay.
The
all
5-meter
right.
step didn't do enough.
No.
Yeah, we are quite
And if we
stretched
set up
out.
the sample, you're probably gonna drift in a little bit, so
Okay.
just keep an eye on it.
So what we're doing is we want to sample here, so we're getting the ship in the right position, because Hercules and Atalanta are at the bottom of a cable that's from the ship, so we have to get, and we're down in a hole, so we want to make sure that we're not going to drag the vehicles against the wall or anything, so got to get the ship in the right place, and so then we can approach the vent and get set up to sample. Little pulse of CO2 bubbles coming out from down below.
Yeah.
I want to be one of those fish having a spa day.
Oh, to be a flatfish at the hydrothermal spa. They do a little sand bath or a little mud bath.
Bill, are you thinking you want to set up for a major
Yes.
first, like in the most vigorous part over
Yeah.
the lasers kind of thing?
Yep. And I think we'll fire both of them here.
Okay.
You agree, Jeff?
Yep.
Yeah.
Are you going to take one of the vents and the other with the
We'll take them both from the
Yeah.
same spot.
both from
Yeah.
the same one?
Yeah.
Seems the most active place.
Right.
All right, I'm
Getting
going to
ready for
start
another
getting in there.
smelly lab.
Yeah.
Yummy.
Can we go?
What time do y'all do? Is this come up?
Okay, down lights are on. Okay.
Yeah, I might I
porch
can
out.
sample tomorrow after
Okay.
everyone's
Roger,
done
porch
with
coming
the
in.
rock sampling.
but we
Yes,
have a
What
dive
does it
tomorrow.
smell like, Jeff?
Oh,
Describe
what
it.
does it smell like?
Porch.
Well, it smells
Sulfur.
strong, but not bad.
To you.
Smells like success.
I love the smell
Spoken
of
like a
success
true scientist.
when I'm in the gym trying to work out.
Yeah, well, Butterfield told me in a text message, a smelly sample's a good sample.
Yeah. Oh, look, there's a
Train looks good,
little
Ada.
bubble on the lens.
Yeah, we got a couple.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Buble.
Oh, there. Hold on.
These bubbles are the reason we were able to pinpoint this location.
Yeah,
The sonar
there you go.
from the ship that we mapped early this morning
The triangle.
picked up these bubbles really well. Yes, within the
color
triangle.
Yes.
Oh, what happened there?
It did make for a very pretty color triangle.
I bet it did.
I liked the triangle.
Where'd the gooey go?
Good thing you explained the color triangle to us last night.
I had to get that presentation to you before today
Herc Atalanta Ross.
because it was so
No, that
pertinent.
runs it.
Uh-huh.
Well, it should be already running.
You can think
Yeah.
of these bubbles as kind of very reflective
To sound.
to sound, and that
I think I saw a
the
shrimp.
reflectivity of something in the water is related to its density
God.
contrast or its impedance
Where'd that go?
contrast. So the bubbles that are air, or they're gases, are very different density than the surrounding water. So you get a strong reflection off of bubbles, which is great because sonar is all about getting reflections, and they show up as very bright trains of, well, plumes or flares as they've been described in the water column data. Now, if this was just the smoke and not bubbles, we probably wouldn't see it very well in
Right.
multi-beam. It'd be
Right.
kind of because the density is not that different than
Right.
seawater.
Yeah. It is interesting that that
think it just
CO2 at the
crashed.
bottom's just coming out in a totally different place by itself.
I wonder if it's a temperature differentiation. Like there's some sort of pathway at depth that's
Yeah.
got a cooler zone.
Yeah, somehow it's separating and taking a different path to the seafloor.
Oh, it is out. That's
Oh, look at
the
that
issue.
rock on the porch. There's some extra rock samples.
Okay, for
Yeah.
God's sake.
Oh, yeah.
See a lot of the little flatfish hanging out.
Bill,
At
so what
the
does it look
spa.
like underneath all of this?
Did it crash? Well, just double click that. Yep. That's weird. Why did they both go? Just make sure everything is kind of copacetic on there.
This looks like a great spot
Yeah.
for a sample.
No, the porch is out. Leave it alone.
Also down below, there's a lot of CO2 coming out here. So the CO2 again are these clear bubbles. Oh, little flatfish buddy. Oh, he
We're
went right in
interrupting
there.
their little spa
Okay, are we
day.
good? So just keep an eye on the Atlanta position,
Yep.
but it looks pretty stable.
Keeping an eye on it.
Busy munching.
Yeah. Well, yeah, you got a couple of meters to spare. Just keep
I'm
an eye on it.
feeling
All right.
effervescent.
Effervescent.
Yeah,
That's a good word for
it's
it.
so bubbly.
Pop, pop, fizz, fizz.
I know, really makes me want a soda.
Yeah.
Back to food
If you-
again.
Wait till we're sampling the majors. It's soda that comes out of the bottle.
Not yummy.
I do want to
no.
see it after the way you described it the other day.
Yeah, I kind of want to watch it
Yeah.
when you guys do
Yeah.
it tomorrow.
Okay.
Let us know. We'll be
I will
spectators.
send a message out to the WhatsApp group.
Me three.
He's
me
on
three.
our watch, so we know he won't do it on watch time.
True.
See?
Unless he ditches us.
No, he's not
Well,
allowed.
we're transiting tomorrow.
Okay, good.
No, we're diving
No, we're
tomorrow.
diving.
We're doing another dive here?
Yep.
Terrain looks
Not
good.
No.
here.
Oh, well,
Thank
we
you.
got to go map Ahi and then
And
potentially
maybe
map
dive.
and maybe dive Ahi.
Yeah, yeah.
So yes, I won't ditch us.
That's good.
Are those
Can
Oh,
I
okay.
get
All right.
bubble cam?
It's
See if you can give me anything
shallow.
useful with the bubble
Ahi-
cam over the major there.
The summit of Ahi is like 70 meters.
Oh,
Roger.
Not like we would be
It's
diving
about
on
as
the
far
summit,
down as
but
it'll
maybe
go,
around
but
it.
how's that look?
Sure, yeah.
And Ahi had the
Maybe I can try and give it a little
eruptive
twist.
signals from
Try
the
the
Wake
sample
Island
salvo. I
hydrophones.
think it puts that up on a bigger monitor,
So
doesn't
It
it?
has
does,
been
yeah, it's right up
active
in there.
in
Yeah.
the last
okay.
year,
Couple years.
couple years,
Yeah.
2022, 3, into
Yeah.
22 at January.
Video,
23.
can you give me a zoom on Ada?
Sam?
Oh, we got Matt on there. Yes, hopefully Ahi doesn't suddenly wake up between now and tomorrow and start erupting.
Looking good.
Bill might still want to go.
Yeah, I was just thinking that.
I want to go.
Looking foggy.
Woo!
Are those bottles 2 and 3? But you
So
mean red
that
and
one
orange?
that
too?
one looks like 3, huh?
Yeah, 3 with red.
Wait. Oh, on the front. Okay, that looks like
Oh yeah, the other blue are the holders on the porch. Okay.
Really makes
Let me
want a
know if you need
ginger
anything,
ale.
Herc.
Yep.
Roger. Do you want the downlight on?
Sure, yeah.
Oh, it's on. Never mind.
Yeah. Oh, one. Hold on, make sure I get some pictures going.
That arm doesn't have super fine motion, huh?
Not at all. Now, getting there though.
Yeah.
Zoom in on the Zeus, please.
Zooming.
Okay. Now, do you want, there's a pretty distinct plume there in the front, or do you just want me to poke around in the main part of it a bit?
I think, yeah, like right below where your snorkel is.
Yeah.
Was that what you were referring to? It?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that looks like a
Let's go.
good thing to aim for. We don't want the snorkel like down in the dirt though, so
No.
yeah. And then maybe a little bit away from you, yeah.
I
Yeah.
see it.
Oh,
there
yeah,
it
it's coming
goes.
out good there.
Oh yeah, yeah.
The white
Oh, good eye.
smoke
Yeah.
helps.
Now, the only issue with this is it's very far away from the craft room. Let's just try it.
Yeah.
But there's ample opportunity here, so it
Yeah.
might just let me try this, and if it's too far away, I'll just
Reposition.
won't
yeah.
take long.
Yeah. Okay.
Full wide, please.
All right. Now we use the dexterous arm to trigger the sampler.
Is this
While
just like suck up
Yeah.
really quick? Yeah.
No, slowly.
Oh, slowly. Okay.
So that see that spring on the back? That's when we push this the white button. It releases it starts up it releases the spring, and then the spring slowly pulls basically a
Got
syringe
you there on the PTZ.
thing inside the
Okay.
sampler, so it slowly sucks in the water.
Zoom on the Zeus, please.
Do it.
So when we push this white thing, if it triggers, we'll see the spring slowly extend as the plunger, or the piston, I guess, inside the sampler.
All right, I'm just getting on it there now.
There we go.
It is in, but not far enough, I guess.
Yeah, right. Might need to go in a little more. There you go.
There it is.
Yeah. So you can see the
I
spring
see it, yeah.
slowly creeping out.
Cool.
So it goes about 3 times as long as it starts.
The only thing I can think of is like Ghostbusters, when they're like getting the ghosts in the canister. With all the smoke.
Did that thing have a name? Like a nebulizer or something?
Oh yeah, something cool. No fancy flashy lights on this one.
Oh, yeah.
Be awfully hard to do it with a backpack.
Yeah. Put a backpack on Hercules. That would be cute.
It looks kind of spooky down here.
It does look spooky. Very misty.
Can you hear me now?
Only a little bit.
Yes.
Yes.
Looks like that's it.
Awesome.
Let's
No?
just eyeball
Sorry,
it for
making
a
a liar
second
out of
here.
me.
Yeah,
Maybe.
I think you're right.
I don't see any more movement.
Yeah. So maybe twice as long as it started. Okay, I think
All
you're
right.
right.
Okay.
Then you can release it.
Awesome.
Full wide, please.
Okay.
So I'll leave this here for a moment.
Whoosh.
Oh,
Uh-oh.
It was called a proton pack.
Proton pack.
Ah.
Gotcha.
I was trying to remember the whole time. What is that thing?
Thank
But-
you
but
to
what
whoever sent it to us.
What's the thing that the ghost actually goes in? The proton pack is like the
It's the thing they use
backpack
to
gun thing, isn't it?
bust the ghost.
Oh, like the trapdoor thing?
Yeah, the trapdoor thing. I don't know if that had a separate name.
I'm literally gonna Google it.
Oh, doink.
I'm sure someone
Okay.
will chime in if it
Yeah.
had one.
Yeah, the proton pack is that part. Oh my gosh, you can buy one on Amazon.
Oh. So is that the backpack thing?
Yes.
So I guess the last time Schmidt was here, when they were sampling,
Oh.
there was a burst
Wait.
of molten sulfur
Yes. Yeah.
that left a scar on Sebastian.
Not a scar. It just coated the bottom with sulfur. So it was a little bit like, yeah, I use the analogy. It's a little bit like a Dairy Queen dip your cone in chocolate kind of thing, where there's a little bit of a crusty coating on everything. Fortunately, it's not hard to get off. It's a little smelly. Yeah, we were hovering over the sulfur cauldron, which we visited earlier today, and it didn't have any sulfur in it. So that's a big change from last time. But yeah, we couldn't really see the bottom, and all of a sudden there was all this sulfur all over the place, and we didn't really know what happened until we got the ROV back on board, and whoa, the bottom's covered with sulfur. So somehow there was like a burst that spewed out molten sulfur onto the vehicle. No damage, fortunately, just a little bit of a mess to clean up.
So the ghost traps are called muon traps. M-U-O-N.
Muon.
Muon traps.
Okay. A muon is some kind of a subatomic
Yes.
particle or something?
Put it back in its little awesome.
And we don't know what the temperature is
The other
on
major
the
here
Van Zor
too?
thermometer
Yes.
isn't working at the moment. Sad face.
Well, this one's going to be trickier to get back in.
Yeah.
Have to give it some more space. We were talking about how the fluid sampler is kind of like the proton pack from Ghostbusters, where we suck the fluid in and trap it.
Sure, yeah. Proton pack from Ghostbusters.
So watch
Is
out
this-
when you process these samples, Jeff. There
Could
might
be
be
getting
something
some
more in
And,
there than
Slimer
more than
might
you
jump out at me.
yeah, more than you bargained for.
Maybe
I love a
won't
good-
be
and-
helping
and-
you sample.
No, I
And-
love a good Ghostbusters
and
reference.
yeah, and when you go in there, lock the door because I don't want it in the rest of the ship either.
Yeah, he's gonna
I'm pretty
eat
sure
all the
they can go
food.
through walls. So
Oh,
Oh yeah,
I
lock the
guess
door
that-
for the ghost.
Guess that
Great
won't.
move.
He'll go through the walls. He'll go
Man,
down
those
those
ghosts must smell horrible.
I guess that won't work.
Stinky, stinky ghosts.
He'll head right to the cafeteria, and then we'll have no lunch. 'Cause he'll eat everything.
Then it'll be your fault.
Your balls. That's just the danger of fluid sampling.
Yeah, you take a risk.
It was one I had not considered until 2 seconds ago. That ghosts in the fluid sampler.
I mean, how old are these vents?
Probably a while.
I feel like
They
they
have
could be a
flatfish
ghost.
ghosts.
Flatfish.
Yeah.
Woo. The way they wiggle on the seafloor is kind of ghost-like. Like,
Yeah.
When you were describing the way the flatfish and the animals get the things that die from the surface and fall down, I was kind of envisioning those sand trap bugs that they build a little hole that ants or bugs will like fall into, and then they just grab them. And have you seen these? They're in Florida. What's the name of them?
Of course, they're in Florida.
They're really neat. They're I can't remember
I
the
say
name
as
of
I
their.
live in Florida.
I used to. You'd know they were there because in loose sand they'd be just a small little depression. And then you could get them by digging up and find the bug.
Oh, I just saw a
This thing,
tonguefish go right into
there's-
the plume.
Oh, that's ugly.
Don't be mean.
Look at it.
That is nice. He's cute.
You say that about all all the animals.
All the animals are cutie
They are.
in my eyes.
Oh, what am I thinking? They're ant lions. They're called ant lions is the bug because they mostly eat ants, but they make these burrows. They make that,
Okay, zoom in a little on the
and then
Zeus.
bugs will they'll fall in and they won't be able to climb out. And he's underground waiting.
Yeah.
This is
You
red.
It's
have
terrifying.
so many people Googling ant lions right
Ant
now.
lions. The crater is kind of like the trap.
Sometimes you could like lightly tap some sand on the top of the crater and get it to come out.
Yeah.
That was like a hobby a little bit there, you know.
Oh, a hobby.
So
You
it's
know,
like
I
everyone
was stuck at the
knew
ballpark all
online that
day.
They
it was
did. They
ant
knew what it was.
lions.
The ant
It's
lions.
coming
Yeah,
out.
but like this crater, all the
Well, that's
predators
a
are
smoky
just-
one. What about that?
let's see. Oh yeah,
That's looking good.
that's looking great.
Wow, great.
Juicy.
This is what we like to see right here.
A little wide, please, for a minute.
Yeah. That means the fluid is going into the inlet valve that the trigger will then pull the spring out, and
Can
the
you
piston
can
will
you
suck
come
the
down on
water
the
in.
bubble a bit?
Mm.
Can you get a
Roger.
bit better view there? Yeah, thank you.
Antlion. How could I forget? I've been away from Florida too long.
Too long. There's a new caterpillar that's in Hawaii that was just described, and I think it's called like the graveyard or like something like spooky, and it's
I
because
saw it.
it takes the bones of other insects
Okay,
and
zoom in on
attaches
the
it
Zeus,
to
please.
himself, and so it's just like walking around with other animal bones and
Thank you.
pieces stuck onto it,
Wow.
so
I
that
wonder what's
others
the-
won't eat it.
What a
Oh.
It's creepy.
what a strategy.
Yeah, he's too crunchy. They don't
Yes.
want him now.
I saw a picture of it with like a roach.
Come a little
leg
bit wide.
sticking
I want
out
to
of
see
it.
the
Yeah.
gas
A
tank that's
whole
under
head
the
of like a
arm there.
roach on its back.
Thank you.
Kind of cool.
Or the major, sorry. It's not triggered, is it?
Doesn't look like it. I don't see it expanding. What do you think?
No.
No, push a little more. Might need to line it back up, yeah.
I was surprised. I was on that pretty good.
Yeah, the first one went really quickly.
There it is.
Oh, yeah,
There it goes. Are we still? Yeah, we're
yeah,
in
it's
there.
expanding now.
Yeah, I'm just making sure we're. If I've kind of lost where the outlet
Yeah,
valve is.
it's
Can we
like-
zoom in right here?
Go ahead.
Yeah, I see it on the left. Is that the left side or is that behind that?
The bubble cam too. Zoom in on. Let's frame that up and zoom in on the bubble cam.
Roger.
Not seeing it like it was before though.
Well, it is pulling, so it's sucking in
Yeah,
right now. So
yeah.
it might have drawn that out, but it was close. I mean, it was a really vigorous. It was in there.
Yeah, I could see it.
Okay, and then come out
Okay.
on the Zeus a bit so we can see the spring.
I don't think it's moving anymore.
That was pretty fast.
Yep. Well, that thing is compressed. That spring.
Yeah, you gonna call it done?
Yep. Let's call it.
Okay, full wide, please.
Aha! We've just doubled our number of fluid samples taken on this cruise.
Woohoo!
12 to 4.
1224.
So, science party, where do we want to go next?
Can we turn around? Let's take a look to see if we can, if we're missing any bigger vents.
Okay.
Just kind of look around here.
That major sampler is still gooshing
Where?
out the little hole.
Where? Can you zoom in? Where are you
I
saying?
don't see
Well, it's
him.
gone now, but just
It
to
was
see
coming out of here?
pulling it away. Yeah.
Okay, that's good. That's just it venting the last bit out.
All right.
See, yeah.
Quite a bit forward.
Yeah.
I like how on the porch it's just bubble cam.
What do you think they mean by edges? Max
I don't know.
zooms on the edges. We could get a zoom in of the, just as close up on the vents.
Yeah, can we get a zoom in and a close up on the vents, please?
Yeah, once
just-
you're stowed.
Yeah,
Good.
we're working here.
Okay.
Just a
Yep.
minute.
Yep.
What's going on with this bubble cam? Why can't I see it?
It was like a little bit of scummy on top of it.
There we go.
There we go.
It's not the bubble cam. It's
Sulfur
Pilot.
scummy stuff. I mean, down cam